In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Microsoft Edge. If this guide does help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. First things first, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually search for Registry Editor on your PC and open it. You can do this by just selecting this little section down here and just typing in Registry Editor and hitting on this option right here. Select yes on this and it's going to open up a page that looks like this. And from here, you're going to want to follow the following path. Begin with this H key local machine section right here. And then from within here, you're going to want to go ahead and just open this up and find software. Within that software tab, open that up and you're going to be looking for WOW 6432 node. This should be down towards the bottom because this is alphabetically ordered. Open that up though, and from within here, look for Microsoft and open that up. And then scroll down towards the bottom and you're going to see an option for Windows. Open that section up now. Find this current version option, open that up, and then look specifically for Uninstall. Open that up and then you're going to have to scroll pretty far on this option. It's kind of hard to see all of this and you can actually drag this arrow to make it a little bit easier. Look for Microsoft Edge and select it. On this little right section in this option where it says no remove, go ahead and change this value right here from 1 to 0. You might have to right click and select modify on it and just change that to 0. Hit OK and then close that registry editor. From here, you need to go ahead and restart your computer, and after your reboot, go ahead and go to Settings by clicking on the search bar and then selecting Settings from within it. And from here, go ahead and navigate into Apps and scroll down on this section within Installed Apps to find Microsoft Edge, or just simply go ahead and search for it. Click these three dots and then hit Uninstall, and then confirm it, and Microsoft Edge will be removed from your system. But that's it. Microsoft Edge is not going to be uninstalled. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.